एक्झिक्युटिव्ह मिटींग आसली. ऑलमोस्ट 95% एक्झिक्युटिव्ह मिटींग मेंबर्स अटेंड केल्या आणि लोकसभा आणि ऑर्गनायझेशनचें काम चालू आसा. राज्यसभाचे डिस्कशन दोन्ही लोकसभाचे लोकांची हे आहा मतां की काँग्रेस पार्टीन जिखपाचें
सो आयज मिटींग कसली आसली, कितें मिटींग?
meeting and it is all discuss how the party to go ahead. We discuss about.
So basically this is about Lok Sabha and Lok Sabha elections.
Party strengthening कितें आशिल्लें?
How to go ahead? Definitely when it's a party meeting, how to strengthen the party. Definitely the things were discussed. And all together we have taken a strong decision that we will take the party ahead for next Lok Sabha elections.
पण काँग्रेसान सगळे एकवट आसा सर का अशे दोन ग्रुप?
100% आनी सगळी लिस्टी पळोवंक मदत आहा की टोटल आसले फुल party was there.
Any particular names have been finalized for the Lok Sabha?
Not in party will decide. There is time.
So what आज कसली
पार्टी
मिटींग?
मिटींग खूप टायम चल्ली, 11 स्टार्ट जाली ऑलमोस्ट.
कितें?
मिटींग म्हणटा तुमची खूप टायम चल्ली, 11 स्टार्ट जाली, ऑलमोस्ट 3 जाली. सो मेजर कितें डिसिजन आशिल्ली?
Major decisions were basically of the organization. Basically taken, our party president, our desk in charge came and took a review of our preparations that were there for the Lok Sabha. We also have a Rajya Sabha election. So definitely we discussed a lot of things. A lot of our workers expressed their sentiments, and we all decided, and we are all ready. And I must say that to honor this government also about the assembly session, upcoming assembly session, discussed about that as well. And our desk in charge has given us the right direction, given us certain directions from AICC, how to take things forward, and you will definitely see this in the upcoming days.
काँग्रेस इज रेडी फॉर लोकसभा and Rajya Sabha election.
100%. See, Rajya Sabha, you all know we don't have the numbers, but Lok Sabha definitely we are not
Sir,
only ready, but we will definitely do very well.
आता
and we will win.
जे आमदार तुमचे बीजेपीन गेल्या ते कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी तुमी कशें कितें मॅनेज करतले? बिकॉज
सगळे आमदाराचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी तेंगे क्वेश्चन आमी विधानसभेन घातले. Already these issues, people we had requested send a circular, and we've received several issues from these constituencies and the people of Goa's issues as well. All of these issues will definitely take, and we already have our structure in place.
आणि नावं थोडी शॉर्टलिस्ट मी केल्या MP इलेक्शना.
Now there is a process of AICC. Once AICC declares, then definitely there are people who have expressed their views that they want to contest. Definitely all of their views will be taken into consideration.
आता हे मिटींग एक डिस्कस कोण एक्सप्रेस केल्ले की तांकां कॉन्टेस्ट करपाक जाय.
This was an organizational meeting. This is not the right platform to raise.
अमित
Definitely to strengthen our block, how to block. I think our party president will speak.
न्हिदला ना येता. अमित भाई कितें मिटींगेक एक्झॅक्ट कितें मिटींग आसलें?
काल आमची पॉलिटिकल अफेअर्स कमिटी मिटींग जाली. सो दे डिस्कस द स्ट्रॅटेजी ऑफ ऑर्गनायझेशन बिल्डिंग. लोकसभा इलेक्शन येता. वॉट आर द प्रोजेक्ट्स वी हॅव टेकन इन हँड इन स्ट्रेंथनिंग द ऑर्गनायझेशन हे काल डिस्कस जालें. आज आमची एक्झिक्युटिव्ह मिटींग आशिल्ली अलॉंग विथ ऑफिस बेरर. So we have discussed in length, we have heard each and every member's view, how we have to go, what has to be our strategy, how we have to strengthen our blocks, how we need to motivate our cadres. So all these points we have discussed, and in the evening we have a meeting with all our block presidents. Tomorrow we are having a meeting with the district president. So I am sure our cadre is fully charged, the executive committee is fully charged. People have given very good suggestions on how to go about the Lok Sabha election, and I'm sure this meeting will transpire into a positive outcome.
नाही दिसता विचार.
मिटींग जे लोकसभेचे डिस्कशन आसले मिटींगेक
ही लोकसभेची तयारीची इट्स नॉट अबाउट कॅन्डिडेट, इट्स प्री मेच्युअर. वी हॅव अ सिटिंग MP in South.
काल आसलें.
So the various, I mean that point also was raised की बेगीन तिकीट डिक्लेअर करची. That point also is taken, and also AICC desk in charge जो आसा he will speak to the High Command, and we'll try to.
आयज साऊथ गोवाचो MP तुमचो खंय तरी मिटींगेक दिसलो.
आज साऊथ गोवाचो MP आमचो he had a meeting in Delhi, so we had to go. So काल PACच्या मिटिंगेक तो हाजीर आशिल्लो.
ते ऑपोजिशन लिडरान म्हणलें की थोड्यांची वीश आसा की कॉन्टेस्ट करपाची. सो त्यांच्यानी विश दाखयले की ते वॉन्ट टू कॉन्टेस्ट
This is Congress party. It is it works in a democratic way. जो कार्यकर्तो जो वर्कर कोणाक इच्छा आसता तें सगळ्यांनी काम करचें. I mean, people are working on ground, and then party will assess. I mean, who is the right candidate, what is the formula following. All these factors, AICC will send a team. There will be surveys done. So basis that candidate will be selected. But one good thing म्हणल्यार ज्या गोंयच्या जनतेक हांव सांगपाक सोदता की जे कॅन्डिडेट्स एस्पायरींग आसा ऑल हॅव सेड दॅट वी वील वर्क इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ पार्टी. इट इज नॉट एन इंडिविज्युअल हें की बाबा आपल्याक तिकीट मेळ्ळी, तिकीट मेळपा लागून काम करता हें ना. हें आज एवरीबडी हॅज क्लियर्ड. पीपल हू आर एस्पायरींग ऑल्सो हॅव सेड की फाल्यां 3 कॅन्डिडेट आसूं किंवा 4 आसूं, पण एकट्याक सुद्दां मेळ्ळी जाल्यार ऑल दोज पीपल will work together. I think that is a very, very positive sign which has come out of today's meeting, and I'm hopeful that in coming days we will strengthen at grassroots level.
एक जर तसं की तिकीट डिक्लेअर करपाक मातसो टायम लागतालो, हे फावट पार्टी मातशें तिकीट बेगीन डिक्लेअर करतले और एटलीस्ट शॉर्ट लिस्ट तरी
सांगलें न्ही तुका हांवें की तें आज डिस्कशन जालां. पीपल एक्झिक्युटीव मेंबर्स हॅव पुट दॅट, आनी AICC इंचार्ज हॅज टेकन अ नोट अबाउट इट, and it will be discussed with the High Command. So we are trying ki baba at least in North Goa where we don't have a seat, we can declare the candidate much in prior.
म्हणल्यार केन्ना तशें
कित्याक काँग्रेस अमित सदांच लास्ट मोमेंटार रावता.
चालू जालें. See, point is what today it is not about the candidate. Today the point is आज हे जे भ्रष्ट जुमला पार्टीचे सरकार, आज प्रत्येक गोंयकार, प्रत्येक नागरीक आज पिडीत जाल्लो ह्या सरकाराचेर. आज तूं म्हारगाई पळय खंय पावली, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट पळय, अरे प्रत्येक पावलार आज करप्शन आसा. म्हळ्यार सो टू केटर दीस आय थिंक जी आज जनता जी आज फ्रस्ट्रेट जाल्या दे आर लुकींग फॉर एन ऑल्टरनेटीव. सो आय थिंक रादर दॅन द कॅन्डिडेट पीपल वी आर वर्किंग की खंय तरी कित्याक दीस इलेक्शन इज गोइंग टू बी बिटवीन BJP वर्सीस काँग्रेस एट नॅशनल लेवल इज ट्रायंग टू गॅदर ऑल द ओपोजिशन पार्टीज टुगेदर. एक मीटिंग ऑलरेडी पटना जाल्या, दुसरी मीटिंग इज इन बँगलोर ऑन 17 and 18, and I am hopeful that some positive outcome will come from that meeting. तुम्ही पळयला की महाराष्ट्रान कितें चल्लां तें. सो BJPचे पॉलिटिक्स इज ऑल अबाउट डिस्टर्बिंग द हार्मनी. जेन्ना एक सरकार आसता म्हणजे सरकार निवडून येता, दे आर फॉर्म द गव्हर्मेंट, सरकाराची ड्युटी आसता की तुजें काम करप, आनी ऑपोजिशन जें आसा तें देर हॅज टू बी अ वायब्रंट ऑपोजिशन मरे. पूण BJPची पॉलिसी कितें की ऑपोजिशन काबार करप. आतां महाराष्ट्रान तुमी पळयात तांणी ती उद्धव ठाकरेची शिवसेना फोडली, थंय तांणी शिंदे फॅक्शन करून थंय सरकार उडयलें. आतां ते NCPच्या वाटल्यान लागले. अरे फोकस ऑन युअर गव्हर्मेंट. तुमचं सरकार आल्यार कामां करा मरे लोकांची. तुम्ही पॉलिटिकल पार्टीजांक ब्रेक करपाक सोदला. सो दीस इज व्हेरी क्लियर दॅट BJP खंय तरी रियलायज जाला की 2024चे लोकसभा इलेक्शन दे आर कॉन्फिडंट की आमी जिखना. दॅट इज वाय ब्रेक इट. आनी म्हाका दिसता जे रिसेंटली हेल्ड कर्नाटका इलेक्शन जे जालें तातूंत म्हाका दिसता मोदी फॅक्टर पळय आशिल्लो हो कर्नाटकाच्या जनतेन दाखोवन दिल्लो आसा. अनादर 5 राज्यां ही इलेक्शनां वतात, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगड, राजस्थान, मिझोराम. I am telling you that Karnataka positive wave is going to go in these 5 states. BJP will be wiped out. Even in Telangana, BJPचे leaders, MLA join जाता मरे आज. So across the country there is a positive wave because people are fed up with this brush jumla party. लोक आज त्रासान पडल्या. आज तूं पेट्रोल, आज तूं म्हाका सांग, तूं आज आयला आसतलो पेट्रोल खंय पावला तें तूं पळय. स्मार्ट सिटीच्या नांवान आनी आज जे 1000 कोटी खंय गेले ते पोचून पळय आतां बोट घेवन भोंवपाची पाळी येयली आहा पणजे. सो म्हाका दिसता हे जे लोकांचे जे नेगेटिविटी ह्या सरकाराचेर आसा, वी नीड टू ऑल गेट इट टुगेदर. आनी जो प्रयत्न BJPन 2022च्या एसेंब्ली इलेक्शनान केलो, B टीम हाडली, C टीम हाडली, ते म्हाका दिसता हे गोंयच्या जनतेच्या मुखार एक्सपोज करून दिवपाची गरज आसा. ही RG आज हांव ओपन आज मेरेन हांवें RGचेर केन्नाच स्टेटमेंट करूं ना. दीस माय फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. आय एम क्लेमिंग दॅट दे आर BJP B टीम. तुजो जर तर इफ यू आर फायटींग द BJP देन यू बी विथ द ऑपोजिशन. यू कांट बी एन अंपायर. तूं अंपायर न्ही. आयदर यू कॅन बी इन रुलिंग, यू कॅन बी इन ओपोजिशन. मेक अ स्टँड क्लिअर. तू त्यांच्याबरोबर हा काय तू ओपोजिशनाबरोबर हा. बिकॉज इन असेंब्ली opposition is fighting united, but Manoj Parab is trying and going meeting all BJP friends. So what type of politics is Manoj Parab trying to play? I think he needs to answer to the people of Goa.
आज ऑर्गनायझेशनल मॅटर्स उलयले आमी आनी मिटींग बरी जाली. सो ते आमकां डायरेक्शन आनी गायडन्स जाय आशिल्लें बिकॉज वी आर प्रिपेरींग फॉर अपकमींग लोकसभा इलेक्शन्स एंड आमचे ऑर्गनायझेशन सामकें प्रॉपर आसपाक. सो इट वॉज अ वेरी गुड मिटींग एंड आमचो डेस्क इनचार्ज म्हणून कागोर वचून बरे इनपुट्स दिले. सो आय थिंक इट हॅज बीन अ वेरी गुड meeting. There are many issues with rest out, including small things, and I think there are internal party matters which have to be sorted out.
बेसिकली काँग्रेस काहीतरी स्ट्रॉंग
इंटरनल पार्टी मॅटर्स आसा काँग्रेस दवरली.
अरे तूं म्हाका एक सांग, मॅटर्स आहात म्हणलें म्हणजे फोट मारूं जाता कांय ना म्हण, पण आमी बेश्टे गेले च्या बटाट हाडले आनी आयले. सो देर आर मॅटर्स which
It will be solved before election.
I don't say solve, but it is giving guidance. See, if there's a problem, you have a solution you need to have. I said internal matters. Matters doesn't have me. This is a problem. So, you समजून घेना का business problem. I can't disclose. Strategies are always confidential. तू वयता तेन्ना घेरा वयता तेन्ना लोकांक सांगतो अशें शोधलो आनी सांगूं जायना.
बेसिकली दिस मीटिंग वॉज टू स्ट्रेंथन द काँग्रेस पार्टी. एक एग्जीक्यूटिव मीटिंग थी ना सर.
Executive meetings went well, yeah. It went well. Congress party has decided to organize itself in a bigger way, and we have decided that the Congress party is organizational.
सर मीटिंग में कुछ सहमति भी नहीं बन रही थी आपस में.
We were national state executives always discuss many issues, and Congress party is very clear that this government, particularly the Manipur, lot of churches has been burnt by the attack, and Goa Congress executive has discussed about it, and it hurts the sentiments of across the India. The minorities have been attacked, and Modi government is just watching. And yesterday there was a tribal who has been urinated in Madhya Pradesh. In his head, the BJP MLA's relative has urinated. And now today Shivraj Chauhan has washed his feet, and this kind of dramabazi BJP continues to do it, and we condemn it, and Congress party is very clear that we will fight the fascist BJP in all issues, including against the attack on the churches, attack on the tribals, and Congress party in Goa will take this forward to the people.
But in Goa, we cannot see the Congress party together. There are two or three groups in Congress in Goa.
All Congress is one only. You are seen today that we had a 4 hours meeting. Till of now, I am not able to take lunch. Whether you had lunch, I don't know. But we are all together, and the Congress party is together, and Congress party will have its programs in order, and we will announce the programs in the future.
Any names have been finalized for the Lok Sabha polls?
Anyone wish
Lok Sabha, yesterday also I disclosed it. Congress has a process of selecting the Lok Sabha candidates, and therefore there is a time for it, there is a schedule for it. Congress party will do its work.
And will opposition in Goa come together?
Therefore, national level there is an opposition alliance has been formed, and in Patna that alliance has had a successful meeting. In Bangalore, 17th and 18th, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi ji is going to be there. Therefore, this alliance more parties are going to join that opposition alliance in Bangalore, and we are very confident that we will be able to build a better. We will work. We had asked the CLP leader Yuri to work with the other like-minded parties in the house and outside also. We had asked the PCC president to work with the like-minded parties in the ground in the state also.
But in this, you think in Goa it is possible, because in Goa there are two regional parties which are there. So you think in Goa united opposition is possible?
We want those people who are against BJP, who are against the undemocratic processes of Modi and Amit Shah, to come forward and save democracy. In Parliament also we have been doing it. There are parties which have some kind of differences. Therefore, that may be the case in Goa. And Goa, whichever party is opposing BJP should come with the opposition alliance, then only we can all defeat the BJP, which is corrupt, which is looting Goa, which is destroying Goa's environment, which is destroying Goa's whole beauty itself. Okay, thank you.
तुम्ही पळयता गोवा न्यूज हब.